I received this beach wagon as a gift, and I was really excited to get it opened up because a wagon like this is one of those things that can come in handy for so many different activities. Right out of the box, everything was packaged nicely, and I immediately noticed how large and sturdy the wagon feels. It has a 420-pound weight capacity, so it's designed for hauling quite a bit while still being collapsible for easier storage. Once I had it completely opened up, I was really impressed with how much room there was inside. This would be great for loading up everything you need for a beach day, camping trip, sporting event, or even just working around the yard. I could also see myself using this for groceries or anytime I have a bunch of things to carry at once. The large wheels are another feature I really like. They're designed to handle different types of terrain, including sand, which is especially helpful if you're using this at the beach or outdoors. The handle gives you a comfortable way to pull and maneuver the wagon. The wagon feels really sturdy when it's fully opened, but one of my favorite parts is that you don't have to find a huge space to store it when you're finished using it. As you can see, it collapses down surprisingly small compared to its full size. That makes it much easier to store in the garage or load into the back of a vehicle. Overall, I really like the combination of the large capacity, heavy-duty design, big wheels, and compact storage. This is definitely something we'll be able to use for all kinds of outdoor activities and everyday hauling.